welcome to Future View on AI and Data podcast. I'm Ovi, your host, and each episode we bring expert stories, ideas, and practical steps for our everyday global citizens, leaders, NGOs, and global partners. Today we have a special guest by the name Dr. Ivan Martinez. Ivan is an AI senior researcher. Ivan, I'll let you introduce yourself and a bit of what you do with AI at the moment. Thank you.
Hi, Obi. Nice to see you again. Today, we're going to start talking about some worry about the community, the humanity, about AI, especially when the job future, about how people is worried about the AI can sometimes people think destroy the job, but that is not true, right? Right now we're going to talk about how humanless enterprises, about AI as a catalyst for innovation and global markets. I think the AI, it's an opportunity to create a job. It's not to destroy jobs, but we need to think on how AI can help to build another kind of humanity and not destroy it, right? Right now, the emergence of humanless enterprise, in this case, it's powered by the artificial intelligence. It's revolutionized the workforce and transforming traditional roles into opportunities for innovation and global market expansion, driven by technology like machine learning and robotic process automation. Let's see, this is enterprise minimize human involvement, unlocking new possibilities for creativity, efficiency, and competitiveness on global scale. Notice people say destroy the enterprise, destroy the jobs, this kind of new orientations build new opportunities for innovation, especially in global markets. It's like when appears Microsoft Office not destroy the humanity. It's like a new kind of innovation that helps to automatize the process in the prices and companies. But AI right now, it's a big opportunity for innovate. In this case, we are talking it's a global into global markets. Let's say if right now it's the opportunities for innovation and global markets. It's foster innovations through new roles and industries. AI-driven enterprise create specialized roles as AI ethics consultants, human AI collaboration specialists, and innovation strategists, sparking creativities in fields like healthcare, education, and creative industries. And this, in this point, the scalability of AI enables the development of entirely new industries such as autonomous logistics, AI generate content platforms, driving economics growth and entrepreneurial opportunities. In this case, helps to productivity and innovate the work, and by automated the repetitive tasks like customer service, manufacturing, and data analysis. AI helps develop the human talent to focus on high value creative endeavors such as developing innovative products, designing cutting-edge strategies, or crafting personalized customer experience. Uh, in this shift, in change job satisfaction and foster a culture of innovation as workers engage in roles that leverage human creativity and strategic thinking. This is a new mindset that we need to create in our community. Think that it's not like most people think that AI will destroy the job, but in this case, is uh, AI will help create new jobs, a different mindset. What in this case, what do you think about this, Obi? Right now that
Mm.
we're talking about the first the first introduction I'm talking about
Yeah.
right now.
Thank you so much for that insightful conversation. I mean, you have said a lot already that covers my thinking. I know people are worried about their jobs, and agentic AI is even more threat. So I keep wondering if people learn about AI, how to use AI. Um, what do they do when agentic AI takes over? Agents take over most of those roles. It will be back to square one. And currently, we designed a course. I know you mentioned AI human collaboration specialist. I think we are thinking alike. I have a short course that I try to deliver human AI collaboration work, strategic imperative. It's newly launched, and it's a big one. And as I know you mentioned ethics consultants. These are innovations, strategies, critical thinking, and all that. And yeah, it's how to work with AI, how to collaborate with AI, not just using it to work in that sense. As like he rightly said, people are worried, but then you just have to reskill and train. And my back to you, my question is, what do you think people should be doing now? What kind of courses, especially apart from this human AI collaboration? Okay, inside there, what do you think people should be doing to be in a better position when AI agents take over some of their work? What kind of roles do you think or skills do you think they will need in order to be relevant, not to lose out totally?
Well, I think the new mindset it's how to use the AI,
Mm,
but the AI sparks the creativity in, like I said, in fields like healthcare, education, and creative industries. But uh, people is thinking that the AI will replace his, his job, but in this case, the AI helps to create new opportunities, new um, content in different kind of jobs. But the if we use properly, the AI can help to find new opportunities. It's like foster innovation through new roles, right? Um,
mm,
it helps to uh, develop new kind of task, and if we using the uh, right way, like in this case, right way means ethic. we can create more opportunities. But the problem is people think it's hard to people live from the rules that or roles that they are used to work every day, right? It's like a leap of the each day that they're doing the same thing, doing every day, right? In this case, if we think uh, go outside, like outside the box, right? Thinking different adaptability to the different um, roles, we can think uh, the AI can help to uh, create more opportunities, right? People
Mm.
used to do the same thing like for years. That's the problem in this case, right? And right now with the AI, we have opportunities for innovation in the enterprise. We have opportunities for innovation, and in this case, to expand to global markets too, right?
All right. So you're saying lots of enterprise, lots of people can now start business around AI and learn to do different tasks from what they used to do. But then they need to prepare themselves, starting with mindset change, change their mindset because they're used to regular day to day doing the same thing. AI agents gonna do those repetitive tasks, those tasks for them. They don't need to be repetitive like that anymore. So it's a mindset set, like you said, and I think lots of people, lots of opportunity to innovate and bring in some solutions. I would say personally for people to look at local problems. Don't start thinking global immediately. Start small. Um, and look at your immediate need, people you know, area you know. What is the need? What can AI do? What can you develop? Because if not, you end up using the platforms from the big giant tech companies, making them lots more money, and then be some of us being out of jobs because of agentic AI. So it's about thinking ahead and seeing what you can develop for your local communities. Then this working with AI collaboration. Everybody must not have a venture to start, but even if you're a career person, try as much as possible to reskill, increase or improve your critical thinking, problem solving skills. Those are area I think people should think of. Um, Thank you so much, Ivan. It's been great speaking to you, and I think this is the start of a great series we're going to be talking about. In the next, do you have any final thoughts, any final tips or advice
Yeah,
before we close out?
yeah. That's the last advice is like AI will help to people to be more happy, right?
Yeah.
In enterprises and company will have to um automating repetitive tasks like customer service, manufacturing, data analysis. The next steps is AI frees up human talent to focus on
Mm.
high value and creative endeavors such like developing innovative products, design cutting edge strategies, and crafting personalized customers experience. This shift in job satisfaction and foster a culture of innovation as workers engage in roles that leverage human creativity and strategic thinking. That means that human will change to different roles in the companies, and will help to human satisfaction, and the tasks that are boring will be helped with the AI in this case, and workers will be concentrating different roles that will help to the companies to be more productive, not like I said, will help to the companies to more productive, more efficiency, more focus to the customer. But it's only change of the mindset. That's the hard part, right? In this case, right? But it's possible. Way I final AI will help. No, not like will AI will replace the human. Right? It's only change the roles in the companies.
Oh, thank you so much, Dr. Ivan. It's been great speaking to you, and thank you to our audience for tuning in. Please, if you're interested in this conversation, please drop us a comment or make a suggestion of topics you'd like us to talk about. We'd like to listen from you to you as well. This whole thing is built for people to learn or contribute. Let's work together. So like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss out any episode. And so if today's dive into AI and technology in general sparked any thought, please share with us. Send us a message. We're always eager to hear how these ideas land in boardrooms, ministries, classrooms, or even living rooms across Africa and beyond. Another a big thank to our guests once again, Dr. Ivan, and to you, our listeners. Until next time, I'm Obi. I will say stay curious, stay collaborative, and let's keep building Africa's tech future one idea at a time. Thank you so much for listening. I'll see you again.